To add or remove assistant menu item in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select interaction and dexterity. Select assistant menu. You must turn on assistant menu first, tap switch until on, and then select assistant menu options. To add assistant menu item, tap plus icon in above, or to remove, tap minus icon. Okay, to try to add, for example, brightness and magnifier window, and then to see, tap assistant menu. Now you can see brightness and magnifier window. Brightness and magnifier window. And then to remove, tap minus icon. Now magnifier window and brightness was hide. For example, screen off. Recent button. Remove recent button. Or add. Screen off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.